Hey guys, Sean here. Today we're hiking Long Creek Falls in Long Creek, South Carolina. So this is a pretty nice little short hike. There is a primitive road that drives up to the trailhead. If you don't have a four-wheel drive, highly recommend parking on top of the primitive road. But if you do have a four-wheel drive, you can get pretty close to the trailhead, if not dang near on top of it. So really nice falls. This is going to be somewhat of an easier hike until the very end. Then it's a little bit of a scramble. So I'll take you there. Every day of the week, and I'm trying to be your best friend, trying just to figure it out. Corner in your Converse, living on the outskirts, trying just to figure it out. Long Creek Falls is one of my favorite waterfalls. I tend to really enjoy and come back to the falls that are on the Chattooga River. I really do like sitting on the Chattooga. Throw me a bone. Don't be scared of what you don't already know. Throw me a bone. Overall, a relatively easy hike. Pretty flat, kind of meanders around some corners and stuff until you get about 25 yards before the falls. And then at that point, it's kind of a scramble. So do be wary of that. Just some quick facts about the Chattooga River. So its full name is the Wild and Scenic Chattooga River, and it's really known for rafting and kayaking, cooling off in the summertime, fly fishing, and it physically helps separate the border between Georgia and South Carolina. Throw me a bone. Don't be scared of what you don't already know. Throw me a bone. Don't be scared of what you don't already know. I don't mind if you wanna go anywhere, I'll take you there. So right now we're actually at the part where the trail splits and goes down to the Chattooga River as well as Long Creek Falls, and you'll see it's a pretty steep drop off. If you're elderly, you have bad knees, bad ankles, bad balance, turf toe, hangnail, whatever, if you're not in good physical shape, this may not be the hike for you. Okay, so behind me, you have the Wild and Scenic Chattooga River. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a lot of white water on it right now. And then, this is a really nice camping spot right here. And then you can see behind me, we actually have Long Creek Falls. So let's go up to Long Creek Falls, get a little bit of footage and photos from it, and then just relax. Don't be scared of what you So I hope you enjoyed the hike to the Chattooga River as well as Long Creek Falls. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.